Okay, here we have the Squeegee of future. As you can see, it's got a scrubbing pad on it. It's 18-inch one. Give it a scrub, flip it, and you squeegee. And you can see when you squeegee, go right to the bottom. And having an 18-inch one, it makes it quite easy. It's also versatile if you've got balustrading too high to scrub them like this from the outside. And this way, you can just do it this way. And you just finish it off like that. And in this one, same thing, scrub, flip, squeegee, and it goes right to the bottom, as you can see. And this one that I'm about to do, you scrub it like that, flip it, now you start it, and notice when I'm bringing the squeegee back, I'm stepping back as I'm squeegeeing, and it just makes it all around easy to manoeuvre. I'll just finish that. And I think, well, that's about it.